Hello, this is Vinay. Today my topic is simplifying Java FX UI design with FML. The introduction to Java FX FXML. What is FXML? FXML is a XML based declarative markup language created by Oracle for defining user and interfaces within uh, JavaFX applications. Key characteristics: declarative UI designs. um, Describes what UI should look like and rather than how to build step by step. Yeah, XML based user familiar XML syntax to define UI elements and their properties. Separation of concern clearly separates UI layouts and from application Java code. Yeah, benefits of FXML: improved maintainability, enhanced readability, and tool support, and fast development. Yeah. FXML structure and basic syntax. Key FXML elements: root element and nested elements and attributes and FXID and FX controller and FXML namespaces and special attributes: FX value, FX constant, and FX includes. Set. Then styling with Java FX is the UI and with CSS. CSS in JavaFX supports standard CSS for studying UI components, allowing for clean separation of presentation and structure and logic. Styling approach: internal sheeting and inline sheeting. And JavaFX CSS selectors, type selectors, button, ID selectors, class selector, and pseudo classes. Structure complex UI with FXML. Modular FXML files break down complex UI into smaller reusable components. Each component have its own FXML file and controller. Using FXI includes embedded one FXI file within another to create composite views. Custom components create reusable custom controls and combining FXML with controller classes that extend FX components. Integration with Java code controllers. Key integration points: FXL control attribute links and specified to its controller class. Injects UI component with FXID into controller. Event handler events in FXML call method in controller. FXML loaders and loads FXML file and handles controller. Loading FXML in Java. As you can see in the code, new FXML loader, get class resource, parent root, and stages. At a practical example of simple login form, FXML for layout. As you can see, with a simple code, we have created a login form, username and a password. Yeah, FXML layout defines structure and hierarchical. CSS for styling and controlling for logic, handle users and event handler. The best practice and tips: use a scene builder effectively, keep FXML clean and focused, handle complex logic in controllers, error handling and debugging, users trying to catch block when loading file, checks on common error like missing FXI attributes or incorrect controller methods, signature, use logging for debugging. Conclusion: key takeaways: separation of concern. FXML provides a clean separation between UI design and application logic, improving maintainability and team collaboration. Declarative UI designs and XML based syntax makes UI definition more readable and easier to understand compared to programmatic FX code. Tools tooling support. Scene builder provides usual design capability of allowing rapid UI prototypes without writing code manually. Modular structure, complex UI can be broken down into reusable components within their own flexible control.